Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. If you're a fan of custom printing, especially for clothes design, then you're in for a treat. We're reviewing the PUNEHOD A3 R1390 DTF printer start kits, which comes with an impressive array of features and accessories to get you started on your printing journey. From the DTF oven to the replacement printhead, for PCS t-shirts, software, 2 sets DTF supplies, and the 13-inch t-shirt transfer machine, this kit has everything you need to unleash your creativity. One of the standout features of the PUNEHOD A3 R1390 DTF printer is its excellent color performance. Equipped with an A3 R1390 CMYKWW 6-channel printhead and upgraded intelligent RIP software, it achieves up to 2880 dpi HD resolution, rivaling the output quality of professional photo printers. This means you can expect ultra-high color reproduction and photorealistic effects, ensuring stunning visuals even when transferring designs onto dark fabrics or textured materials. Whether you're a professional designer or a hobbyist, this level of quality will elevate your prints and make them truly stand out. Another key benefit of the PUNEHOD A3 R1390 DTF printer is its low cost and high gain. This printer is specifically designed for printing custom patterns on transfer films, which can be heat transferred to garments such as cotton t-shirts, polyester hoodies, and linen dresses. With an extremely low investment, you can start your printing business and consistently deliver vivid, realistic, and durable results. This makes it suitable for both beginners and professionals, allowing you to explore your creative potential without breaking the bank. The cost-effectiveness of this printer is a game-changer, enabling you to offer high-quality prints at competitive prices and stay ahead of the competition. The PUNEHOD A3 DTF printer also excels in white ink printing, thanks to its 3-in-1 white ink circulation, mixing, and filtration system. This innovative system greatly improves the vitality of white ink and reduces sedimentation, extending the service life of the printhead by 50% compared to traditional printers. This means you can enjoy more consistent and reliable printing performance, with less downtime and maintenance required. Whether you're printing intricate designs or bold logos, the PUNEHOD A3 DTF printer's white ink printing capabilities will impress you with their precision and quality. The versatility of the PUNEHOD DTF printer is another significant advantage, as it's perfectly suited for all kinds of cotton, polyester, leather, and denim fabrics. The printed patterns are vivid and durable, and they can remain as good as new even after multiple washes. With the ability to print on various items in just 9 minutes, this printer is ideal for home DIY and office customers who make small batches of customization. Whether you're creating custom t-shirts, hoodies, or accessories, the PUNEHOD A3 R1390 DTF printer is the perfect tool for bringing your designs to life. Lastly, the industry-leading service provided by PUNEHOD is a major plus, with officially licensed RIP software that enables multi-format file processing and color management. This guarantees protection against privacy breaches and system damage, giving you peace of mind when operating the printer. Moreover, the company's engineers are available 24/6 to deliver lifelong one-on-one technical assistance, ensuring that even novice users can operate the printer effortlessly. This level of support is unparalleled in the industry, and it's a testament to PUNEHOD's commitment to customer satisfaction. In conclusion, the PUNEHOD A3 R1390 DTF printer start kits is an exceptional package that offers outstanding value and performance. With its excellent color performance, low cost, and high gain, excellent white ink printing, versatile application, and industry-leading service, this printer is a must-have for anyone looking to explore the world of custom printing. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this printer will help you unlock your creative potential and produce stunning prints that will impress your clients and friends alike. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the PUNEHOD A3 R1390 DTF printer start kits and start creating amazing custom prints today. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to take your printing to the next level. Get ready